Hi, and welcome to our Enex.space guides. Today we will show you how our decentralized exchanges works. First of all, click on Launch App. Click on Connect. Select your Enex wallet. Unlock your wallet. After you connected your wallet, be sure you have Pulse network active. Click on the Enex extension. Select Networks. Select Pulse. And go back. To access pools, you can click Pool in Enex.space sidebar. A pool is a mechanism to reward users for providing liquidity to the DEX. A pool can be created by any user of Enex.space. Alternatively, you can add liquidity to an existing pool. As long as you have a stake in the pool, that is, you have deposited an amount of liquidity into the pool, you will receive a reward from each trade in the pool. This reward, taken from the fee for the trade, is proportional to your liquidity share in the pool. Just like any Enex.space user, you can add more liquidity to the pool or withdraw liquidity from the pool anytime you see fit. When adding liquidity to an existing pool, you have added a certain amount of both token 1 and token 2 of the pool's exchange pair. For the sake of example, we take ENQ and BB. When doing so, the current exchange rate of the pool will be used. For example, if the ENQ to BB token ratio in the pool is 1 to 4.13, you should add simultaneously 100 ENQ and 413.35 BB. Click on Add Liquidity. When you have added your tokens to the pool, you will receive LP liquidity pool tokens. For example, if you deposit ENQ and BB into a liquidity pool, you will receive ENQ BB LP tokens. The number of LP tokens you own shows your share in the ENQ BB liquidity pool. You can always take your funds back from the pool, returning your LP tokens in exchange for ENQ and BB. The proportion of ENQ and BB you get back may vary based on the price change in the ENQ BB pool. It is the risk the liquidity provider takes in exchange for a share in the pool fees. Next, you will see the baby window again, waiting for you to confirm the operation in your wallet. Having confirmed everything necessary, you will be notified that the transaction was successful. Moreover, you will have a possibility to view the information about the transaction. Click on the link pulse.enex.com. If you don't want to view that information, just close the window. We will tell you more about it later in the video. If you want to create a new pool to add liquidity to, you can do it yourself in a way similar to that of adding liquidity to an existing pool. When creating a pool, you can set the initial exchange rate for the 2 tokens you add to the pool. This ration will quickly adjust as more liquidity providers add liquidity to the pool you have created, as well as through arbitrage. When you're creating a new pool, click on back arrow. Click Add Liquidity. The window has 2 input blocks. Token 1 input. Here you can input the first token 1 in the pool. By default, this is the default token in your wallet. You can select another token using the drop-down to the right of the input field. Balance shows your wallet's current balance as to the selected token. Token 2 input. Here you can select the amount of the second token 2 in the pool. You should select the token from the drop-down to the right of the input field. Once you've selected token 2 and input the value, the windows looks like this. Price and pool share section shows the following values. Price of token 1 nominated in token 2. Price of token 2 nominated in token 1. Share of the amount of tokens you want to input in the pool. LP tokens in your wallet under Add Liquidity button shows the following. Amount of liquidity pool tokens you have at the moment. Amount of token 1 to be added. Amount of token 2 to be added. To proceed with adding tokens, click Add Liquidity. The confirmation window opens. This window shows the following information. Amount of liquidity pool tokens you will receive. Once the liquidity is added, amount of token 1 to be deposited, amount of token 2 to be deposited, price of token 1 nominated in token 2, price of token 2 nominated in token 1, transaction fee for the adding of liquidity, share of the amount of tokens you want to input in the pool. Review this information and, if you want to proceed, click Confirm Supply. The Enex wallet confirmation window opens. This window gives the details of the transaction fee you should pay as you add liquidity. Click Confirm to proceed. You can click View on pulse.enex.com to view the transaction properties in Blockchain Explorer. The following page opens. Parameters section includes the following information. Type. Transaction type, add liquidity, in this case, asset 1, token 1 hash, amount 1, token 1 amount, asset 2, token 2 hash, amount 2, token 2 amount. Additional section shows the amount of LP tokens you have received for adding liquidity to the pool. If you don't want to view the transaction properties, just click Close to close that window. To remove liquidity from a pool, open the pool and click Remove. The following window opens. Here you can select the liquidity share you wish to remove from the pool, either by using the slide or clicking on the preset values of 25%, 50%, 75%, or max for the maximum possible liquidity withdrawal. If you want to see the amount of LP tokens involved in the liquidity withdrawal, click Detailed above the slider. The window will expand. The top token selector shows the amount of LP tokens that gets returned as you remove liquidity from a pool. The next two token selectors show the amount of token 1 and token 2, respectively, to be withdrawn. Price displays the price of token 1 and token 2 in the same way as elsewhere in the pool interface. Click Remove Liquidity to proceed. The confirmation window appears. You can see how many token 1 and token 2 you will receive once the liquidity removal is accomplished. Click Remove Liquidity to proceed. Enex.space warning window opens. At the same time, Enex wallet transaction confirmation window opens. Once you have confirmed the transaction confirmation window opens. Click View on pulse.enex.com to view the transaction information in Blockchain Explorer. If you don't want to view that information, just close the window. By the way, at Enex.space you can create a liquidity pool with any token issued over Enex network and any tokens any to any. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.